video we will learn how to use logical NOT operator. In the previous videos we have learned how to use logical and logical OR operator. In this video we have to use logical NOT operator. Suppose we have a table named as employee having 9 records. Now suppose you want to list the detail of all the employees whose state is not Rajasthan. To do this task we have to use the following query: select star from employee where not EMP state Rajasthan. As you can see the output on the screen, it has displayed all the records where EMP state is not Rajasthan. Now suppose you want to display the records of all the employees whose EMP ID is not between 102 and 106. It means it will display 101, 107, 108, 109, 110. Now we will use the following query: select star from employee where not EMP ID between 102 and 106. Now this query will display all the records where EMP ID is not between 102 and 106. This means it will display 101. This means it will display 101, 107, 108, 109, 110. Now let's see. As you can see the output on the screen, it has displayed 101, 107, 108, 109, 110. Now let's take another example. For example, you want to list the detail of all the employees whose name does not start with R. To do this task we have to write select star from employee where not EMP name like this query will display the detail of all the employees whose EMP name does not start with R. Now as you can see, the first record is Mahesh, Suresh, second is Suresh, the third is Avinash, Jugal. None of the record starts with R character in EMP name column. So if you like our video, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.